Good morning, everyone. This is David with Bolivar Live. Sorry about that. I got my buttons mixed up because I was trying to get a swig of coffee. You know, it's Wednesday, and we're 3 days away from America's birthday, and probably one of the, I would have to say, the longest fireworks display that you'll ever see. 27 miles of fireworks, and that's already started down here. I talked to Randy yesterday, and he said, you know, they're not beating down the doors, but they're buying fireworks. And I talked to some vacationers down here that said they've seen some fireworks going off during the week, you know, after dark. And so, you know, it's here. It's July 4th week. We're rolling into it. The restaurants are stocked up. Everyone's been working overtime to make sure you have the ultimate experience for July 4th, 2026 here on the upper Texas coast. Let me see if I can straighten my camera a little bit. I stopped by the county building this morning. Actually, I took them a little gift because the guys at the county do an awesome job. They were there. They were the first ones there to clean 87 when Arthur came through and dashed a little trash on it. They've been down on the beach making sure the entrances are easy to get in and out, taking care of any big wash-ups that happen, trying to keep the beach as clean as possible. But I tell you what, everyone else has been doing a great job too. Yeah, we always have that one or two areas that people come down, and it's usually the day trippers. They come down and just trash it. They leave all their trash on the ground, and shame on them. Remember, this weekend, pack out what you pack in, and hey, do a good deed. If you see a bottle blowing down the beach or a piece of trash, pick it up and throw it in your trash can for us. Our beach is fabulous. It's 27 miles of wide open beach that you can drive on. You can enjoy time here with family and friends, and this Saturday night you can see 27 miles of beachfront fireworks. Now, if you're down here and you get up early enough, I think sunrise this morning is about 6:30 if I'm not mistaken. 6:20, we're probably going to miss it because there is a little cloud bank, but I think we're still going to have a pretty sunrise. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised with the dust if once it gets up good, just below the clouds, that if we don't see those lines go out from it. Man, that's beautiful down here when that happens. But the video actually doesn't do it justice. And yes, we're driving down the beach right now. I need to go to Beaumont. I didn't get to, if anyone's going to Beaumont over by Michael's, I've got 3 frames that need to be picked up, and it would save me a trip to Beaumont where I could stay on the beach and give away freebies all day. Let me know, message me or something, because it'd sure help me out, save me a trip to Beaumont. But anyway, it's July 4th week. If you see the Bolivar Live truck on the beach, we not only have frisbees and cups and koozies and keychains we're giving away, we also have some gift certificates from Ray's Fireworks. And so this will help you save a little. You can put that money saved towards more fireworks and have a bigger display. And if you've never been to Ray's Fireworks, he deals straight with from the manufacturer on most of his products. You're not gonna find better pricing than at Ray's Fireworks. And with the tariffs that have come on board now, that really makes a big difference. And so, in fact, I was talking to Randy the other day and said, hey, how much have fireworks gone up over the last 3 or 4 years? 50%? He said, no, we haven't raised ours that much. And so, you know, that's the way Ray's Fireworks is. They're celebrating their 40th year in business on Bolivar Peninsula this week. And so stop by Ray's when you need ice, a beach parking sticker, maybe some snacks, or you're ready to grill some steaks on the beach. Stop by the big store. Can't beat them. They've got some great Angus steaks. They've got pre-seasoned briskets and fajita meat. They've got the potato salad. They have everything you need, because you don't want to come on vacation and cook. You want to get down to the beach and watch those fireworks, or shoot off some fireworks. So anyway, just wanted to say hi to everyone this morning. Like I said, I need to get to Beaumont. I didn't make it yesterday. If anyone's going today, going to be over around Michael's, over, I think it's off Dallin maybe. Let me know, save me a trip. It's already paid for. They made them for me for the gallery and some new crab prints that we just got in. But I've got to get them picked up so I can get them up on the wall. So anyway, hope everyone's having a great week. I know a lot of people came in yesterday, and we're going to see more people coming in today and tomorrow. If you're on the beach, we love it. If you'll come enjoy the beach, pack out what you pack in and enjoy it here on the upper Texas coast. A lot of people out walking in the mornings. I see my regulars every morning. I've been down here just about every morning doing videos and taking pictures and stuff, and been seeing, in fact, we're passing a lady now, looks like she's doing yoga. Been seeing a lot of people doing yoga here lately. So anyway, we're gonna head on out. Wanted to give you a view of the beach. It's clean, it's wide open, and it's ready for you to come down with your family and friends and celebrate America's birthday, July 4th, here on the upper Texas coast. If you need fireworks, go by, you can shoot them on the beach. Please just dispose of them properly when you're done. We got plenty of water down here. Surf's looking good. They have had some rip current warnings, and so watch your kids if they're out, and keep an eye on them. Don't let them get out over their knees. Even when I drive down the beach, a lot of times I'm watching the kids out in the water to make sure everyone's doing good. Enjoy some of our family-owned restaurants down here. Fresh seafood, you're not going to get fresher seafood than you can get at Jose's or Stingery Restaurant here on the upper Texas coast. Live music this weekend. We've got live music at Camp Margaritaville. We've got live music at Stingery Restaurant. In fact, Stingery's free and family friendly. You can watch the sunset, eat a seafood dinner, enjoy an adult beverage, and kick back and relax. So anyway, we're gonna head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Hope to see you here on the upper Texas coast. And like always, we couldn't do it without these people here.
Thank you to these 2026 video equipment sponsors. Crystal Beach Decor and More, located at 1959 Highway 87. Beachy Beatnik Boutique, located at 970 Surfside and Highway 87. And Latitude 29 Surf Shop, located at 1400 Highway 87. Thank you to these area businesses for being our 2026 video equipment sponsors for Bolivar Live.
Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye.